Seda, I refrain when nipa home, and so damn in Payane said, me remfi papa why I'm here. Esiane Kajania Sedo, I refrain when nipa home, I dear Bakona Miss Rene said, me remfi papa why I'm here. 1, 2, 3. That's a me boom pom kosha mechi, baby I'm me friend, baby I'm ready, or therefore, one now better me on your way. I said, Miss Susu, Sissy, stand back and take account. Or therefore, wait there, it had to be you. That's right. I said, me boom, pom, kosha mechi. Baby, I'm a friend, baby, I'm ready. Or therefore, why now better me on your way? I said, Miss Susu, Sissy, stand back and take account. Or therefore, wait there, it had to be you. And take money. So you held me close, so closer than a brother, so closer than a brother. Truth is, I gave up on myself, cause my back was against the wall, and it was on you now, yeah. But I gave you a call, and you answered my